This is Varsha's Education Academy. In this session, we are going to see the subject of communication theory. See, already we have seen some problems based on statistics. Right? Now we are going to see the topic of random process. See, this random process is very important topic. But all people are aware that this topic is very difficult when compared to the remaining topics in the communication system. So only I have selected this topic over here and I have jotted down some important points. Now we will see one problem based on this important formulas, right? See the first formula for autocorrelation function. So autocorrelation function is generally represented by the generally denoted by the term R of tau, right? So R of tau is equal to E of x of t into x of t plus tau. E of expectation of x of t into x of t plus tau. Generally, what does mean by mean? Mean is nothing but expectation of x. Mean is nothing but the average that is said to be expectation of x. Mean square is square. Mean square can be said as E of x the whole square. E of x the whole square. See, mean square is nothing but the square mean, that is E of x the whole square, which is limit t tends to infinity or x of tau. This is the formula in terms of autocorrelation function. So mean squared is equal to E of x the whole square, limit t tends to infinity or x of tau. In terms of power, it is said to be the total power. Total power. So if they are asking you to calculate the value of total power, then you have to find the mean square, right? Then variance. Variance is also called as sigma square. Variance is also called as sigma square. So the formula for variance in terms of mean is said to be E of x square minus E of x the whole square. E of x square minus E of x the whole square. This E of x the whole square is said to be the mean square, right? So the variance is also called as AC power of the signal. The variance is also called as the AC power of the signal. Standard deviation. So standard deviation is sigma, which is equal to square root of variance. So variance is sigma squared. So sigma is said to be square root of variance, right? Have you all understood the formula? See, these three formulas are very important. Please listen carefully. So mean square is limit t tends to infinity Rx of tau. Variance of x is said to be E of x square minus E of x the whole square, that is sigma square. Standard deviation is sigma is equal to root of variance of x. See, based on the above formulas, we will see one problem. A stationary random process x is equal to x of t has an autocorrelation function R of tau is equal to 16 plus 9 e power minus tau. Right? A stationary random process x is equal to x of t has autocorrelation function R of tau is equal to 16 plus 9 e power minus tau. Find the standard deviation. See, for finding standard deviation, we have to know the value of variance. So to find the value of variance, we have to know the value of E of x square as well as E of x the whole square, right? So first we will write the formula for autocorrelation function, that is R of tau is equal to E of x of t into x of t plus tau, right? E of x of t into E of x of t plus tau. First, let us assume the value of tau is equal to 0. Let us assume the value of tau is equal to 0. So R of 0 is equal to E of x of t into x of t plus 0, which is equal to e of x of t into x of t, which is equal to e of x of t the whole square, which is equal to e of x of t the whole square. Sorry, e of x of t into e of x of t gives e of x square of t, e of x square of t, right? Now, here they have given the value of r of tau as 16 plus 9 e power minus tau. Now we will substitute that equation. So r of tau is equal to 16 plus 9 e power minus tau, right? Now substitute the value of tau is equal to 0. So r of 0 is equal to 16 plus 9 e power minus 0, which is equal to 16 plus 9, which is equal to 25. So r of 0 is 25, which is e of x square of t. E of x square of t is 25, right? Now we will see the mean square. What is the formula for mean square? So mean square is equal to e of x of t the whole square, right? E of x of t the whole square, which is equal to limit tau tends to infinity r x of tau. Limit tau tends to infinity or x of tau. So now we have to substitute the value of tau as infinity. So limit tau tends to infinity 16 plus 9 e power tau minus tau. Which is equal to 16 plus 9 e power minus infinity. So we can write it as 16 plus 9 by infinity. 16 plus 9 divided by infinity, which is equal to 16 plus 0, that is 16. So e of x of t the whole square, that is mean square, is equal to 16. Now we will calculate the value of mean. So what is the value of mean then? Mean squared is 16. So mean is 16 root of 16, which is equal to 4. Then we have to calculate the variance. What is the formula for variance? What is the formula for variance? So e of x square of t minus e of x of t the whole square, right? E of x of t the whole square. So e of x square of t, already we have found out the e of x square of t, that is 25. Rx of tau, that is Rx of 0, is e of x square of t, that is 25. Minus this mean square, e of x of t the whole square. So mean square value is what? 16, right? So 25 minus 16, which is equal to 9. So the variance value is said to be 9. In the problem they are asking us to find the value of standard deviation. So what is the formula for standard deviation? So standard deviation is equal to sigma, which is variance is equal to sigma square, right? Here they are asking us to calculate the value of sigma. So what is the value of sigma? It is root of variance of x. Root of variance of x, which is equal to root 9, is equal to 3. Now let us summarize our answers. So mean is equal to 4. Mean square is equal to 16. Mean is equal to 4. Mean squared is equal to 16. Variance is equal to 9. Standard deviation is equal to 3. So this is represented by E of x of t. This is represented by E of x of t the whole square. This is represented by E of x square of t minus E of x of t the whole square. E of x of t the whole square. Root of variance of x. Right? So these are all the final points you have to remember in calculating this formula. Thank you all. If you are having doubts regarding this topic, please mention it in the comment box. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video.